Kia ora everyone, welcome back to the Carer's Corner. So while baby's asleep, I'm going to do a quick recording of something that's been on my mind as of a few days ago. Let's just say I was having a bad day. It was tough, and that's very natural and very common in our lives as carers. And I just felt so defeated. The moment I realized was probably when I was on the ground in tears, and while I was there, simply because baby has decided he sleeps all over the place, and he hasn't decided that. That's just how it is. He's going through different learnings, and his sleep patterns are changing with it, and my body is not also coping with the demands of baby getting heavy, and so yeah, that's the background. But I'm sure you can relate. I'm sure you've had rough days or rough nights and maybe found yourself in tears, whether on the floor or in the shopping center or in your car. So while I was in my moment of regrouping and regathering, I turned to the only place that I could turn, and that was to God. When you're that low on the ground, you've got nowhere else to go except to the feet of Jesus. And so I prayed and asked for help, because I can't do what I do without His strength. And in that moment, well, in my prayer, because I was feeling it that day, I said, please restore my sanity. And as soon as those words left my mouth, it's like the Lord rebuked me, because His word came to my mind, and He said, I have not given you the spirit of fear, but of courage and of love and of a sound mind. Sound mind. So many times in this journey of caring and being a mom, or at least in my experience, I've noticed where I say things like, oh, I'm about to lose it, or like this screaming is getting to my brain, I'm gonna lose my marbles or whatever. But we just shouldn't. We shouldn't speak that over ourselves. And I'm going to claim the peace of God over my mind, and I am going to make it a daily practice when things are starting to get overwhelming to repeat that to myself. I have not been given a spirit of fear, but of courage and of love and of a sound mind. So if you are having a rough day out there, I hope this encourages you. Speak this, claim this. This is what the Lord has given us. We are more than conquerors through Him. And I hope this strengthens you in whatever this week looks like with you and your aiga.